In this video, you'll learn how to fix Google Drive error 400 using a few simple troubleshooting steps. This error usually means your browser and Google's servers are a bit out of sync, often because of outdated or corrupted browsing data. I'll walk you through each step in order, explain what's happening behind the scenes, and give you a few tips to make sure the fix actually sticks. We'll start by clearing your browser cookies and cache. These are small files your browser saves to remember who you are and to load sites faster. Over time, or after updates, they can become outdated or corrupted and cause errors like 400 bad request. To clear them, open your browser's settings or preferences, then find the section labeled something like privacy, privacy and security, or history. Look for an option to clear browsing data. When you see the choices, make sure cookies and cached images and files are selected. You can usually leave passwords and other data unchecked if you don't want to remove them. Choose a time range such as all time or at least last 7 days, then confirm to clear the data. This step often fixes the problem on its own because it forces your browser to request fresh information from Google's servers. Next, sign out of your Google account. Even after clearing cookies and cache, your session might still be in a strange state, so signing out fully resets your login connection. In Google Drive or any Google page, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then choose the option to sign out. Wait a few seconds to make sure the sign out is complete and that the page shows the generic sign-in screen instead of your account. Once you've signed out, close the browser completely and then reopen it. Don't just close a single tab, close the entire browser window so all running processes stop. This step is important because some background processes or extensions can keep old session information alive. When you open the browser again, you're effectively starting fresh, which reduces the chances of running into the same 400 error caused by leftover data. Now sign in again to Google Drive. In the browser's address bar, type drive.google.com and press enter. You should see a Google sign-in page. Enter your account details and sign in as you normally would. Because you cleared cookies and cache earlier, this is like introducing your browser to your Google account for the first time on a clean slate. If you use multiple accounts, make sure you choose the one that actually owns or has access to the file you're trying to open, since using the wrong account can sometimes trigger errors as well. Finally, try accessing the file again, navigate to the file or folder that was giving you the 400 error, and click it as you normally do. If everything worked, it should now open without any issues. If the error is gone, you can continue using Google Drive as usual. If you still see the error, double check that you followed each step carefully, especially clearing cookies and cache and fully closing and reopening the browser. That's all you need to fix most Google Drive error 400 issues using your browser. Following these steps helps reset your connection to Google Drive and usually resolves the problem quickly and safely.